Just like the Doors, they sing the hi ho, off the work we go. I want you to dedicate a song for me. Thank you.
Kahit hindi na tayo masyado nag-usap ngayon, I want you to know na I'll always be your best friend. Tsaka alam mo naman yun palagi lang ako nandito for you. Tsaka naalala mo pa dati, ang bilis-bilis ng panahon. Dati naghahabulan pa tayo pagkatapos mag-tutor. Tapos mapagalitan tayo, patataluin tayo sa labas. Diba? Tapos, ayun, ngayon parehas na tayo 18 ng bilis. Ito napili kong kanta, Count on Me, kasi I just want you to know na, ayun, I'll always be your friend. Count on me through thick and thin, a friendship that will never end. When you are weak, I will be strong, helping you to carry on. Call on me, I will be there, don't be afraid. Please believe me when I say, count on me.
Jean, wala si Pam. So, hindi ako kakanta kasi hindi ako marunong kumanta. Pero ito pinapasabi niya. Jean, happy 18th birthday. Sorry talaga, hindi ako makakapunta. Trinay ko talaga pero di talaga ako pinayagan kasi baha sa amin. Anyway, don't worry, mabawi ako. Pahabol ko na lang yung gift. Kakanta ko dapat for you is I'll Be There by Martin Rivera. Why? I guess yung message na sa title na try mo na lang pakinggan, Jean. I'll always be here for you no matter what. Alam ko hindi na tayo nakakapag-band simula third year. Medyo nagka-gap tayo, sorry about that. But still, kahit ganun, nothing has changed. Best friend pa rin kita. F4 pa rin tayo ni Den and Bell. Love you so much. Enjoy the rest of the night.
We were as one place for a moment in time, and it seems everlasting that you'll always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. 'Cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die. No, you'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Oh girl, you know you can't escape me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time counting, the feeling is strong. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
Jean, yun yung song ko for you. Kasi remember ko, one time, sabi mo, like mo yun. And bagay din kasi, look, you'll always be the baby bonding in our Barkada Jackie.
Baby bonjing yun. Yun na, joke. Pero kasi you're the youngest din, kaya yun... Kaya yun, baby ka namin. Promise ko din, I'll take care of you always. Kasi ako naman yung eldest, di ba? So yun, and I'll always be there for you whatever happens, okay? Remember that, Jin? I'll be your wish, I'll be your dream, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you more with every breath, truly, madly, deeply do. I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me. Jin, yung kanta ko sa'yo kasi I'll be everything na kung kailangan mo ko, lagi lang ako nandito. Kasi I know na you will do the same for me. Pag kailangan kita, apply ka na dyan. Thank you for being a great friend to me. And Jackie pa rin forever. I love you.
When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling or texting, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you.
When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. From the moment I met you, I just knew you'd be Jean. You touched my heart and I knew that this was gonna be Jackie. I never wanna lose this barcada, and I never wanna spend a moment apart. The rainbow will end in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there, Jean. 'Cause you bring out the best in me, like no one else can do. That's why I'm by your side. That's why I love you. Love you, Jean. Yun yung, explain ko lang. Yun yung kinanta ko kasi sobrang natatandaan talaga kita pag naririnig ko yung I'll Be There. Kasi, ewan ko, basta ikaw talaga eh. Pag natatandaan ko, Jean, yun yung kanta. Nasanda mo yung Best in Me, yung nag-mass tayo. Tapos, kinanta natin bigla yung Best in Me. Kasi sabi yata ng pare sa communion, na kapag yung best friend mo, bring out yung best in you. So, you bring out the best in me. Thank you.
Di naman talaga ako kumakanta, pero dalawa yung song na pinipare ko for you. Una, yung I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. And I swear by the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there, I'll be there, for better or worse, till death do us part. I love you with every beat of my heart, and I swear. Una yan kasi I swear talaga na kapag kailangan mo ko, parati lang talaga ako nandito para sa'yo. Oo, totoo, promise. I love you, Jean. Tapos yung second song ko naman, no one else comes close to you. No one makes me feel the way you do. You're so special, girl, to me. And you'll always be eternally. Every time I hold you near, you always say the words I love to hear. You're so special. Ay, teka, Jean, basta yun, no one else comes close. Kasi, parang mas nabibilisan ako mag-open up sa'yo, kaya no one else comes close. I love you.
Dahil kalog ako, dahil
sausaw
kami dalawa, we dedicate this song for you.
Swaying room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two their bodies become one.
I see through the smoky air, can feel the way of my sin. You're so close but still the world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you.
Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. Be feeling in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you.
I'm crazy for you.